lifts her skirt up to her knees, walks through the garden rows with her bare feet laughing. I never learned to count my blessings, I choose instead to dwell in my disaster. I walk on down the hill, through grass grown tall and brown, and still it's hard somehow to let go of my pain. On past the busted back of that old and rusted Cadillac that sinks into this field collecting rain. Will I always feel this way? So empty, so strange. And of these cutthroat busted sunsets, these cold and damp white mornings, I have grown weary. If through my cracked and dusted dime store lips I spoke these words out loud, would no one hear me? Lay your blouse across the chair, let fall the flowers from your hair, and kiss me with that country mouth so plain. Outside the rain is tapping on the leaves, to me it sounds like they're applauding us, the quiet love we've made. Will I always feel this way? So empty, so strange. I looked my demons in the eyes, laid bare my chest, said, do your best to destroy me. You see, I've been to hell and back so many times, I must admit you kinda bore me. There's a lot of things that can kill a man, there's a lot of ways to die. Yes, and some already dead, little walk beside me. There's a lot of things I don't understand, why so many people lie. It's the hurt I hide that fuels the fire inside me. Will I always feel this way? So